Hello everyone, this is Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Now we're solving problem 1137, the nth Tribonacci number, not Fibonacci, Tribonacci. Tribonacci. The Tribonacci sequence Tn is defined as follows. T0 is 0, T1 is 1, T2 is 1, and Tn plus 3 equals Tn plus n plus 1 plus n plus 2. So Fibonacci is the sum of the two previous ones. I guess the Tribonacci is the sum of the three previous ones. Given n, return the value of Tn. Okay, I guess. So Tribonacci. So I guess we need to start with first. I can start with values equals 0, 1, 1, and then while for I in range n, don't think we even need I, it's just nothing. So for something in range n, let's repeat n times, we can say that values equals values of 0, no, values of 0, values of 1, and values of 2 equals values of 1, values of 2, and then the sum of values, because the last one is the sum of the previous ones, right? So then in the end we return values minus 1. And we have the edge cases if n minus 3. So n minus 2 actually. So if n in 0, 1, 2, return values of n. So what am I doing? Pretty much I have 0, 1, 1. Can I return the return? So I started with 0 and 1, which were the base values, and if we ask, this is the value 0, the value 1, and the value 2. Let's say we get asked the value 3. So what we need to do is do the operation, which is the sum of all of these. So I'm going to replace the last index with the sum of all of these, and then move all the other indexes back 1. So it's going to be 1, 1, 2. And then if we had to go for index 4, we would do the same thing. It would be 1, 2, and then 4, because it's 1 plus 1 plus 2, and on and on. And here are the results. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.